What is a solution? A solution is where we have a solute dissolved in a solvent. For example, if I draw my beaker out here, and I draw my solution line there, I may have some solute, here's my solute particles, surrounded by, dissolved in, some solvent particles here. Now the question of concentration would be how many solute particles, for example, do I have in ratio to my solvent particles? And that would be a question of concentration. What's my ratio of solute dissolved in solvent? And we can relate that to the number of moles. Let's see how using this formula triangle. So N, my number of moles, has the unit mole. My volume, which I'll call V, is in the unit of decimeters cubed. You've probably heard that be called a litre before. In chemistry, we use decimeter cubed. It's the same thing, the same amount. And then I'll have my concentration, which is mole per decimeter cubed. Let's take a look and see how that applies to a question. So this question is asking us to calculate the concentration of 2 moles HCl of volume 50 decimeters cubed. So let's fill in my triangle or go through my formula. I have 2 moles and I have a volume of 50 decimeters cubed. All that's left for me to work out is my concentration. So for my concentration, I will do 2 moles divided by 50 decimeters cubed. And I could use a calculator to work out that is 0.04 moles per decimeter cubed. Now be careful with these because some questions, and I'll put an exclamation mark here to remind you, some questions can put the units in centimeters cubed, but we do not want it in centimeters cubed for these calculations. We want them to be in decimeters cubed. If you see a volume given in centimeters cubed, make sure that you divide it by 1,000.